Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this episode of the 1 minute tutorial series, I will teach you how to do something in 1 minute or less. I'm going to teach you the art of the winged eyeliner. In reality, it's actually something that's very simple, but also very difficult at the exact same time. I realize that makes no sense, but if you've tried to do a wing liner and failed, then you understand, right? It's a smidge harder than it looks, but also once you get the hang of it, it's the easiest thing ever. You may notice that I already have a little bit of liner on my eyelids up here. That is something that I do personally. What I have done is I put a black kohl liner, so a pencil liner, already down on my eyelid, and it just helps prevent that tugging or that dragging that whenever you're trying to create the wing, and it makes it look all jagged. So this actually helps to prevent that. So this one's really not complicated, folks. You just need one product. For me, I have been using the Insanely Intense Tattooed Waterproof Eyeliner by Scone. It is in the shade Jet Black. It has a tip on it like this. This is just a felt tip liner. You could use any type of liner that you prefer. You could use gel. You could try to use a kohl liner, like really sharpen it up and try to do it that way. I don't suggest it. I would assume it would be very difficult. Let's just dive into it. Start that timer. All I do is I will make a little line from here out, and then I will connect that little line in. It's really that simple, and then I fill in the rest. And there you have it. The little wing. Isn't he cute? But that's it. It's literally that simple. I just zing it out and bring it in. And then just fill in everything in between. And then make sure this little line up here is as even and straight as I can get it. Or curved. Or whatever you want. Just no like jagged lines. Or if you want those, I mean, I guess leave them. Whatever. It's your eyeball. You do whatever you want. That's it, guys. Wasn't it simple? Now you go home and you try it for yourself. I'm going to go ahead and put on my other winged liner and then move on about my day. So I want to thank you guys for tuning into this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell right next to that so you get notified every single time that I upload, because trust me, you want to be here. It may be worth mentioning that not all wings are created equal, and that's fine. You may want your wing to go clear out here and zoom her back in so you can literally fly away with them. That's perfectly fine. So you do your wing, baby, and that's all that matters. So thanks again, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.